Hello guys, welcome back to the Art of Home Cooking. Today I'm going to prepare Basanti Pulao. So guys, to make the Basanti Pulao of my style, what I'm going to do is I will put near about 2.5 cup of water. And put this all ingredients. These ingredients are mentioned in my description box, so check it out guys. So I will put this all ingredients in this water and I will just boil it. So I am going to boil this all ingredients in this water for around 5 to 8 minutes. It is boiling. As you can see, this is boiling. So I will just again cover the lid and I will boil it for another 1 to 2 minutes and then I will keep this aside. Okay, now I will just make the Basanti Pulao. So for that I'm using this cooker, and now what I'm going to do is I will put 3 tablespoons of desi ghee. And when this ghee gets heated properly, I will put this garam masala. Here I have this cardamom, clove and cinnamon sticks. I will put this. And now I will put this aromatic rice. This is the aromatic rice. So I will put this Gobindho Bhog or aromatic rice into this. Stir it properly. Like this way. And now it's time to put turmeric powder and just a little bit of salt. I will put salt again. You can also use saffron to bring the color, but I'm just using turmeric powder. So I will again mix it properly. As you can see, I have just mixed it, and now I will just level up it this way. Keep the flame in low and I will just strain the water, that aromatic water. Like this way. So yeah, so again I am telling you, I have used 1.5 cup of aromatic or Gobindho Bhog rice, so I am using 2.5 cup of water. So I have strained the water and I will just cook it for around 2 whistles or so. So I will just cover the lid. Guys, as you can see, I have covered the lid and I will just wait for 2 whistles and then I will just take it out from the gas and we'll do the rest of the procedure to make the Basanti Pulao. After 2 whistles, I have just opened the lid and see guys, our Basanti Pulao is almost done. Now I will put about 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, as because it's a Basanti Pulao, so sugar quantity will be there. And now I will put salt. Here the quantity of the salt is according to your preferences or taste. And I will put this raisins and cashews kishmish or kaju, and I have this remaining desi ghee, so I will put it. And now I will just mix it. And after mixing this, the last ingredient, this is Jaiphal. So I will put half a teaspoon of Jaiphal in this, just for the flavor. It gives beautiful smell and taste. So just mix this, and I will again just keep this by closing the lid for 5 minutes, and then I will just serve this in the plate. So guys, our Basanti Pulao is ready to serve. As you can see how yummy it is looking, and just make this at your home and do let me know how it was. And you can serve this with any type of chicken curry or sabji, and it will also go well with Aam Papad tomato chutney, which I have cooked, and it's in my description box that I have given the link. So if you haven't checked that recipe, to check it out. And if you like this recipe of mine, then please like, share and subscribe my channel for the such recipe. I'm gonna come with another new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys.